Hello, and today I'll be doing a short instructional video on how to use the table saw. First of all, to use a machine you have to wear the right safety equipment to use it. That will be safety glasses, apron, and ear muffs so your ears don't get damaged by the noise it makes. Secondly, the space being used around the machine. Around the machine is a big yellow box. This yellow box represents the space being used by the machine. If there are two people in this box at once, when the machine is being used, the person cutting needs to pause their work and wait for that second person to walk out. Also, there is the red safety button. This button is used to stop the machine if any emergency happens. Make sure you pull it up after pushing it down. The use of any guards on the machine. The machine has two guards. One of them is so it guards all the vertical debris or chippings that come up from your job when cutting, and one that's on the side so you can push your job over, and also that you don't lose control of it when you're pushing it into the blade. Set up and using the table saw. So first, when you're setting up, make sure you've got your personal equipment on. When you got your equipment on, you're ready to cut your job. When cutting your job, there is two forces applied, both push forces. One being your arm going into the machine, and one being pushing it forward. When you're halfway through cutting the job, usually it was required that you have downward pressure so your job doesn't go over the saw. Common hazard. One of the common hazards of this machine is that if you don't put enough pressure into the job that you're cutting, it can end up spinning out in the machine. Anyway, thanks for watching this short instructional video on how to use the table saw.